Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. What's up, everyone? I'm recording this on my phone because I straight up forgot to record the first half of the video about what I'm doing. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use an air compressor, which you can use a can of compressed air, to clean out the weather stripping in your vehicle if you have water pulling under your floor mats, like maybe what I was dealing with. Don't park under pine trees, ladies and gentlemen. They'll get you. They'll get you everything. Anyway, in the video I go and show you about cleaning it and even show you some of the fun facts, the fun stuff of it flying out. And don't forget on your trunks to spray out your trunk drains, because that's an issue too. Trust me. Mine was starting to pull water. It was so much fun. But anyway, also you're going to get a bonus on this video of me fixing the weather stripping on it with some 3M gasket sealant. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Thank you. Now with the help with our air gun, very terribly leaking Harbor Freight hose, we're going to fix some of the issues we have here. And look at that. That made an awful noise, and I want you all to experience. And don't forget to check these little drain hoses right here. You almost forget about that one. It's going to kind of make a mess on the trunk. I wouldn't necessarily suggest it. In all honesty, I'm probably going to have to work on this trunk some more. See, we got leaves and stuff. Ooh. Quite a bit came out on that one. Make sure there's nothing in there. And look, we found a tear right here. We'll have to address that. And y'all are going to get a twofer for fixing weather stripping too. Alright, now to fix this is pretty easy. What we're going to need is some 3M Black Super Weather Strip gasket adhesive. And this, we're just going to make a dab and fill it in the hole. And I'm going to tell you, this stuff is potent. Be mindful of it. It's very strong. You've seen me use this before on Jerry rig number 1, where I fixed the weather stripping back on the windshield. Poorly at that. Oh gosh, so fumey. Smells so. So we just need a little blob. That should do it. And you're gonna, stuff's real gooey, be careful. Ooh. That was a little messier than I expected. And we got a little nick up here too, so that's kind of why I wanted to. And I'm gonna come through and get that off, but basically just lay it flat. Fix it. And I know that's not too pretty, but it'll, it's kind of like a rubber cement stuff. Make sure it covers the hole. Alright, and I'm just gonna go clean this up. But yep, that's how y'all do it. And y'all got a bonus. Y'all have a good one. But also, just quick, you can use this to fix spare gaskets, but if this is all tore up and missing, you should really consider getting a new weather stripping all the way around. Alright, this has been Z66. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.